Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about inversions. What is inversion? Before I talk about what it is, let me first recall the word order of statements. A normal statement, for example, I eat an apple, adopts the basic subject plus verb sentence structure. However, when it is a statement, the word order will change. Let's look at the example. Not only is the weather very hot today, but it's also very humid. In the not only clause, we can see that it does not start with the subject, the weather, but the verb, is. Therefore, let's go back to my original question. What is inversion? Inversion is actually a kind of statement having the word order of verb plus subject. However, we cannot use inversion whenever we like. We can only use inversion when you use certain words in statements. Here in this video, I'm going to go over them with you one by one. The first ones, which you should have used it before, are so, neither, and nor. We can use the inverted structure with these words in short statements. For example, Thomas can swim well, so can Helen. In this example, we can see that so has the same meaning as to, which is to show that both do the same thing. And you can see that we start with the verb can and is followed by the subject, Helen, after we have used the word so in this short statement. Let's look at another example. Jennifer will not go to the concert. Neither will Alan. In this example, we know that both Jennifer and Alan will not go to the concert. Therefore, neither is the negative form of so, showing that both will not do the same thing. Please note that there shouldn't be the word not in the sentence with neither, because neither has already got the meaning of not. That's why you can see from the example that it is neither will Alan, neither will not Alan. The same sense goes with nor. Only that nor is more commonly used in formal written English. Still, both neither and nor mean both not doing the same thing, and both of them are not followed by any negative verbs. As you can see in this example, air pollution has not been reduced significantly, nor has water pollution. The sentence with nor only takes the first part of the verb has, and it is followed by the subject water pollution. In the previously mentioned examples, all of them have taken the first part of the verb as the verb, and they are then followed by the subject. So what if the verb consists of only one word? In this case, we need to add a form of do. For example, my brother likes pizza. There is only one word likes as the verb. Therefore, after the word so, we need to add do to be the verb before the subject I. Don't forget the golden rule of English, subject-verb agreement. If the subject is a third-person singular, like Brenda in this example, Grace knows how to play the piano, and so does Brenda. We add the verb does instead of do to agree with the subject, Brenda. Of course, if the sentence is in simple past tense like this example, we need to add the past form did before the subject, Sarah. The second group of words that can adopt inverted structure is the adverbs of direction. They are adverbs that show you the direction of a movement, like here, there, in, out, up, down, etc. As we all know, adverbs can be placed at the beginning or at the end of a sentence. However, inverted structure is only used when adverbs of direction are used at the beginning of sentences, as this gives further emphasis on the direction of the movement. Also, the subject has to be a noun. If it is a pronoun, the normal subject plus verb statement word order should be used. Let's look at the first example. Here comes the train. Here is the adverb of direction, and it is placed at the beginning of the sentence. Then since the subject is the train, and it is a noun, so inverted structure, verb plus subject is used. That's why the sentence is, here comes the train. Let's look at another example. Again, the statement starts with out, which is the adverb of direction. However, this time, the subject is she, which is a pronoun. Therefore, inverted verb plus subject structure should not be used in this situation. That's why you can see that this example follows the normal statement word order, that is, subject plus verb. Out she went. In fact, there are other adverbs that can also use inversion, as long as they are used at the beginning of the sentence for emphasis. Examples of these are never, rarely, seldom, only later, on no account, etc. Unlike adverbs of direction, you can use inversion with these adverbs no matter what subject it is, as long as the adverb is placed at the beginning of sentences. Example sentence: seldom does he get so upset. In this example, you can see that the statement starts with an adverb, seldom. Then it adopts the inverted verb plus subject structure. Since originally there is only one word for the verb gets, a form of do here in this sentence, does, is added before the subject he. After the subject he, the remaining part of the verb get has to be written. Please note that does has done the part of agreement and tense already, so we should use the bare infinitive form get after the subject. The last group of words that can adopt the inverted structure is conjunctions. The first conjunction that you can use inversion is not only but also. Remember, you only use inversion after not only. Example sentence: not only is she beautiful, but she is also rich. You can see that verb plus subject inverted structure is she is used after not only, and the normal subject plus verb statement word order, she is used in the but also clause. The other conjunctions that can adopt the inverted structure are only if, only when, only after, not until, and not since. However, the inverted structure is used only when these conjunctions come at the beginning of sentences, and inversion is only used in the main clause. So which part is the main clause? Main clause is the main idea that you want to convey in the sentence. So the words linked with the conjunctions are not the main clause. Let's look at the example. Not until Joe arrives will we start the party. In this example, Joe arrives is linked to the conjunction not until, so it is not the main clause, and the normal statement word order, subject plus verb, should be used. The remaining words, "Will we start the party?" is the main clause, so inverted verb plus subject structure is used. Again, since the verb in the main clause, "will start," has two words, we take the first part of the verb, will, before the subject we, and the remaining part of the verb follows the subject. The term inversion may sound new to you, but it is actually quite commonly used in English sentences. I hope this video can give you an idea of what inversion is and how it is used. Bye!